Hey guys, thanks for joining us up back at the channel. This is a video we wanted to make about the adaptive sensitivity settings for the Safeguard Compass. The Safeguard Compass has got such amazing technology that it is able to take the electric field that comes out of a high voltage conductor and use that information to help the wearer understand where they are in relation to the energized conductor. So here's an example of a way that you could use adaptive setting. If you had some conductors that were energized, that had an electric field on them, and you knew you were going to be working at about the same general proximity, and that was a safe distance from those electrical conductors, with your compass unit set in the adaptive mode, you would hit the sample. You just hit the button once. That tells the compass unit, hey, take a sample of this electric field environment at right where I'm at. And then after that, the compass just sits there constantly listening, constantly surveying that electric field environment, and it doesn't go off again unless you start to get closer to the conductor. So telecom workers are somebody who really like the adaptive setting. Also are people that work in the vicinity of high strength electric fields from substations and large transmission lines. So watch it now as Bob and I manipulate the voltage on a conductor in order to trigger the adaptive sensitivity setting. Okay guys, so Bob's got his unit set in the adaptive mode right now, and with his compass unit in the adaptive mode, it's listening to that electrical field that we've got around our conductor down there. Now, the electrical field is determined by the voltage of the circuit. So there's a couple different ways that we could change the intensity of the electrical field on Bob's compass unit. One would be to turn the voltage up. The higher the voltage, the stronger the electrical field. The other one is the distance. The closer we get to an electrical field, the stronger it gets. So Bob is going to use the adaptive setting here, and he's going to approach that conductor to a work location that he knows is still a safe work location to be, but he doesn't want to go any closer than that. And when he does that, he'll hit the sensing mode. He'll hit the button once, and the compass unit will take a snapshot of the electrical field level at that distance away from the energized conductor, and that will be its new alarm threshold. And then we'll be able to watch Bob move back out of that distance, and the compass unit will not give him any triggers until he gets back up into that distance away from a conductor again. So, are you ready, Bob?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, so now watch as Bob moves up on the conductor. And he's got his compass unit set in the adaptive mode. There we go, it's starting to go off. Now Bob, is a qualified electrical worker, could work at this physical location from a conductor, and if he wants to temporarily mute his alarm settings, he just presses the button there. Now in this adaptive mode, the compass unit is going to take a snapshot of the electrical field around him, because that will help determine how far he is away from the conductor. Now, as long as Bob works in this location, or even if Bob wanted to come my direction, the compass unit isn't going to alarm. But if we get busy, and we get distracted, and we get engaged, and the weather's bad, and we start to approach the conductor, then it'll see that new threshold, and it'll give us an alarm. So, really, Bob, I think some folks can find a lot of value in this setting.
Absolutely, and again, I want to stress that once we change that electrical field, and it says, hey, listen, we just changed, but understand, once you get back into the original position that you were in, the compass silences. So again, this is a great application for your telecom worker.
Absolutely, absolutely. Those guys that are up in Telstra bucket trucks or up on strand ladders, and they're just at that window of distance away from a lot of distribution lines where we want to be looking up and living. That age-old proverb, look up and live, boy, that is applicable. And that's what I like about this compass unit, is when we start to get to those distances, we've got another way of saying look up and live.
Yeah, so, absolutely. Don't take anything for granted, and this device will keep you safe.
Absolutely. So guys, thanks for following us on the channel. Watch for more videos to come, and with Safeguard Equipment, have a great day.